Let me share with you the secret of growing your business faster than ever and finally banking the kind of money you've been dreaming about. Okay, here it is. You need to build a huge, responsive mailing list. It's simple in theory, but I'll be honest with you, most marketers struggle to build a profitable list. And it's really frustrating to struggle like this when you're hearing about other people pulling down huge amounts of money with their big lists every single month. Maybe you can relate. You build a list, but the crazy thing doesn't make you any money. You feel like the cash you're dumping into autoresponder fees is an expense rather than an investment. Or maybe you can get traffic in front of your opt-in form, but you can't get these visitors to subscribe. You've begged, you've pleaded, you've bribed them, and there's still zero interest in your offer. Frustrating? You bet it is, especially when people are always yapping about how important it is to build a mailing list. The money is in the list, they say. The money is in the list. Well, maybe so, but you've yet to see any of these big profits, right? Okay, from one marketer to another, I'll let you in on the truth about list building. Actually, the whole money is in the list thing is true. I mean, think about it for just a second. If all of your products and websites magically disappeared off the face of the planet tomorrow, you'd still make money as long as you had a responsive mailing list. Now consider the alternative for a moment. What if you were banking $10,000 a month and your mailing list totally disappeared? You'd have products, but you'd have no one to sell them to. You'd have a website, but super low conversions because all the visitors are cold prospects. Your income would get wiped out and you'd have to start from scratch to rebuild your business. That's how important your mailing list is. It's your lifeline. It's your number one moneymaker because it gives you a way to contact existing customers and follow up with your red-hot leads. But here's the thing. Most marketers have no clue how to build a big responsive mailing list, and we're going to change that starting right here, right now. Listen, whether you're brand spanking new to list building or you've been working on it for a while, you're going to want to take a look at this 10-part video training program which shows you how to build a big, profitable mailing list. This program was developed by two of the net's top list building experts. These are guys who are in the marketing trenches every single day, testing and testing and testing to find out what works. These are guys who literally make a good chunk of their living from their mailing lists, so you know these strategies will work for you also. Now sure, you're going to hear people say email marketing is dead, but you know who says that? It's people who have absolutely no clue how to make money with their email list. That's who. Don't believe them for a second. So, who are you going to listen to? The so-called gurus who can't turn a profit with their lists, or the ones who are bringing down tens of thousands of dollars every month with their mailing lists? If you're smart, you'll want to get your hands on the secrets from the guys who are making a killing, and that's exactly what you get when you watch this 10-part video training program today. So let's go ahead and take a quick tour of what all you'll get when you order this program today. Video 1 is called The Truth About List Building. Inside this video, you'll discover the 3 types of lists you absolutely must have if you're serious about list building. Plus, you'll find out why the whole building a relationship with your list notion can actually backfire on you and cost you thousands of dollars. Video 2 is called Beginning with the Basics. This is your foundation, where you'll learn the truth about factors such as single versus confirmed opt-in and other issues that can make or break your list. Plus, you're going to find out how to make money within seconds after someone has joined your list. Video 3 is all about gluing your subscribers to every email you send. Here you'll discover the 6 secrets of getting subscribers to rip open your emails and devour every single word. And the end result? More opens, more reads, more click-throughs, and of course, more sales. Plus, you'll learn 2 ways to create awesome content. This is how you get your subscribers hooked on your emails and begging you to send more. Video number 4 shows you all about creating the irresistible offer. Here you'll discover the 4 factors your free product offer absolutely must possess to create a stampede of subscribers who can't sign up to your list fast enough. Video number 5 is about making money by giving stuff away. You'll find out how to turn your free products into your biggest sales tools. People won't believe you when you say you make money by giving away free stuff, but this video is going to show you how. Video 6 shows you exactly where mediocre list builders go wrong. Look, if you've ever struggled with low opt-in rates, then you're going to want to watch this video to find out if you're making this list-killing mistake. Plus, you'll also get the scoop on setting up your opt-in form even if you don't know one iota about tech stuff. Video number 7 shows you how to sweet-talk your prospects into joining your list. You'll find out the 4 secrets of creating irresistible headlines, bullets, and calls to action that are going to send your opt-in conversion rates through the roof. Plus, you'll also discover the surprising #1 key to getting high conversion rates. This is what the best email marketers in the world do that virtually everyone else overlooks. Video number 8 tackles the common problem of big traffic numbers but a small list. If you're putting up big traffic numbers but no one is subscribing to your list, this video will show you why. You'll also find out how magical thinking and inconsistency can leave you stranded with a beautiful lead magnet page but a tiny list. And if you're looking for more traffic, then you'll want to watch this video to discover 5 good ways to bring in targeted leads. You'll even find out a simple way to kickstart a viral campaign. You'll love video number 9. It's all about a massive list building opportunity that's right under your nose. Here you'll discover the startling truth about the massive number of people leaving your site empty-handed and how you can turn those lukewarm prospects into red-hot leads. If you want to build your list fast and add thousands to your yearly revenue, then you'll want to really pay attention to every second of this eye-opening video. And video number 10 is called Getting Your Black Belt in List Building. Here, we wrap up the training program with some parting tips, including how to get your lead magnet pages in front of more people. Plus, you'll also find out what tools the most successful email marketers use to create their big lists. So listen, if you've ever wanted to build a huge profitable list like the big marketers you're always hearing about, then your first step is to click the button below to get your hands on this training course. It's a great introduction to list building because you're getting information straight from 2 of the net's top email marketing experts. I'm talking about a couple of guys who regularly make tens of thousands of dollars with their email lists every single month. And if you've been struggling to build a list and you can't seem to squeeze enough cash out of your efforts, then this course will show you what part of your system is wrong and how you can fix it so you can start generating a comfortable income with your list. Now here's the best part. If you act today, I'm talking right now, we can slip you into the private back door of this membership site for free. That's right. If you act now, you get every single video in this training course for free. That's because we were able to pull some strings with the creators to get you exclusive backdoor access to this mind-blowing course. But here's the thing. We can't promise you this secret access will be available forever. The guys who created this video training set might rescind this free offer at any time. And while it's worth every penny that everyone else is paying for their membership, why pay anything when you can get in for free today? So get your free membership by clicking the button below and do it right now. Because what's here today might be gone tomorrow.